Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make something that you can have it for breakfast, as an evening snack along with your tea, or even as a light dinner. Now this is something that my mom has been making for me as breakfast because I absolutely love it, and you can call it jowar ka bhakri, paratha or pancake. Name it the way you want it, but it tastes absolutely amazing. Very simple to make, very few ingredients, and let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making this jowar ka paratha or pancake. And if you do like my recipes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe, and it's free, so why wait? Now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need 1.5 cup of jowar flour, which is also called as sorghum flour. You're going to need 1 small onion diced and 1 small tomato diced as well. Half teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of ginger chili paste, 1 tablespoon of dhania, which is cilantro, salt to taste, and oil to grease the pan, and that is about it. You saw how simple, very few ingredients. So now let's just get started. In the same bowl in which we have the jowar ka atta, let's add the finely diced onions, followed by the finely diced tomatoes, then the dhania, the garlic paste, the ginger chili paste, and the salt. And now using a spoon, I'm going to mix everything in. Once everything is mixed in, I'm going to start adding a little water at a time and knead a dough tougher than the roti dough. Once the dough is ready, I'm going to keep it aside and take enough dough in my hands, almost the size of a small lime, and start pressing it on my hands. If it breaks at the ends, you can simply press it together. And now keep it aside on a plate and repeat the same for the rest. So guys, if you're not comfortable doing this on your hands, then you can always use a chakla or any kind of rolling board to help you out. Also, I'm making 4 small ones. If you wish, you are short on time, you can make 1 large. But I'm sure the kids will definitely like the smaller ones. Now that I have a few pressed, it's time to roast them. So to a heated griddle, I'm going to start greasing it with oil. And then land the jowar ka paratha or pancake in the cavities and cook on the medium flame for the next 2 minutes. I'm also going to grease the top part so that it doesn't dry out. And then let's flip them and cook for the next 2 minutes or until you start seeing golden brown spots on both sides. And now we are done. So it's time for me to remove it in a plate and time for me to serve. So guys, you saw how easy it was to make. I absolutely cannot wait. I am digging in. I've been eating this dish for ages now, and every time I eat this dish, it just makes me wonder that just few ingredients can make something so tasty, so delicious. It's absolutely wonderful. Just have your coffee or tea with this in the morning and you'll be full till afternoon, or you can have it as an evening snack. Perfect meal, perfect dish. So I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. By the way guys, you can have this with chutney, tomato ketchup, dahi, whatever you want, whatever is there in your kitchen. No fuss. This dish is no fuss dish. So I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Do it right now. And then if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So I'll see you very soon, and do let me know if you do like this recipe. Meanwhile, take care. Bye bye.